Okay, so we're here at Data Centre World Frankfurt on the Trane stand, and I guess it would be good to start with yourselves. You are data centre cooling and heat recovery experts, so just be good to understand what it is that you're showcasing here, this week at DCW.
Yeah, so we are Trane. Trane is a US company, and we are one of the leading companies in cooling applications. So cooling and air handling units. So everything in our world is around cooling, efficient cooling, sustainable cooling, and yeah.
No, that's fine.
That's fine.
Yeah, and I just want to ask particularly about heat recapture and reuse in data centres, because I think overall, I know certain parts of the world do it more than others, but overall it's an underused sort of technology. So just be good to understand what it is that you do around heat recovery solutions and the sort of benefits you can bring to data centres when it comes to that.
Yeah, I think everybody knows that especially data centers is a very, very great still unused heat recovery source, and with our products, heat pumps, we try to what is the English word? Leverage? No.
Yeah, leverage. Yeah.
To leverage the waste heat, and we are, so as far as we know, one of the first one who have a high temperature heat pump, which goes up to 110 degrees C, which is needed for district heating networks, especially the old ones. As long as they are not refurbished, they need quite high temperatures for the network and for the end users at the end.
Okay, and just in terms of other solutions you do in terms of lowering energy intensity in data center, I suppose cooling in particular, what are the other things that you get up to?
One big trend we see is raising medium temperatures in data centers, which definitely gives potential. So this helps us to use more and more free cooling, means we don't need compressed mechanical cooling. And with the free cooling, we definitely save energy. It's less energy intense. And our chillers have a combined solution, so it's a chiller and a free cooler at the end, and we can drive 3 modes. In summer season we have the mechanical cooling. In let's say autumn and spring we have a mixed version, and then in winter times we just go with free cooling, which gives really the most efficient way to chill the data center.
And just more generally, how are you finding the data? I mean, I think everyone says the data center market's thriving at the moment. There's a lot of potential new capacity coming on stream. Are you finding that it's a good market to be in at the moment?
So we see heavy investments in the market. In Germany, the market was focused on Frankfurt. Now we see it's expanding, especially for hyperscalers, also to Berlin, to Cologne area, where one of the biggest data centers will be developed in the near future. And it's great to see the heavy investment and also the sensitivity for energy reuse and the energy efficiency overall, to save energy and to reuse it.
Yeah. And I guess finally, we can't have a conversation about data centers without mentioning AI. Are you finding that customers you're dealing with, are you aware that their AI is on their agenda as well?
Let's say I have daily conversations with customers, either engineering houses or operators, and everything is about AI. AI is everywhere, and technology changes, and that also changes the requirements for our products. But we have a very competent product management team, which is close to the market and always tries to meet the requirements which we are getting from the market.
Right, so there'll be some other things on your roadmap that you're going to be developing for that.
Definitely, for sure, yeah.
Well, it's great to talk to you, Kevin. Appreciate your time. Thanks very much.
Thank you.